Speechelo features, strengths, weaknesses. Speechelo is a cloud-based text-to-speech software leveraging AI to generate human-sounding voiceovers. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Key features include a library of over 30 voices in multiple languages, the ability to adjust speech parameters like speed and pitch, breathing and pausing effects, and even the ability to add emphasis to specific words. They also offer a standard and pro version. The pro version unlocks more voices, longer script lengths, and commercial licenses. Speechelo is primarily targeted towards marketers, video creators, and anyone needing voiceovers without actually recording them themselves. Useful for YouTube videos, explainer animations, sales videos, and audiobooks. Now the strengths. The main advantage is definitely its ease of use. The interface is intuitive, making it simple to paste your script, select a voice, and generate the audio. The AI attempts to inject natural intonation and emotion, reducing the robotic sound often associated with text-to-speech. It's also significantly cheaper than hiring professional voice actors for every project. However, there are weaknesses to consider. While the voices have improved, they still aren't perfect. Some have awkward pronunciations or unnatural pauses that require manual editing. The control you have over the nuances of the voice is limited, and achieving truly human-sounding audio requires considerable tweaking. You're locked into their ecosystem, meaning you cannot export and use the voices in other text-to-speech engines. Additionally, the Pro version is essentially required for any serious use due to the limitations placed on the standard version. The upselling can be aggressive. Finally, the claim of AI emotion is quite overstated. It provides some variation, but it's not truly emotive in the way a human voice actor can be. The quality also varies significantly across different languages and voice options. Some sound much more convincing than others. Ultimately, Speechelo is a useful tool for generating quick and affordable voiceovers, particularly for projects where perfect audio fidelity isn't crucial. If you're on a tight budget or need to create a large volume of content, it can be a valuable asset. However, if you require a truly professional and emotive voiceover, or need granular control over every aspect of the delivery, then hiring a human voice actor is still the superior option. Assess your project's specific needs and budget carefully before deciding whether Speechelo is the right solution for you.